Hello art lovers, are you ready to create, collaborate and win with Variety Canvas? Welcome to the Variety Creators Challenge 2 YouTube edition. This is our very first prompt tutorial video and I am Faiza. Today we are going to paint adorable animals, cute little ducks. Before you start, make sure you have read and understood all the challenge rules. You can find them in our announcement post on Instagram or in the description of this video. Follow the guidelines carefully to make sure your entry qualifies for this challenge. Now gather your art supplies, get comfortable and let's get started.